एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क इन नीट फाइनली टाइम आ गया मेडिकल कॉलेज में एंटर करने का. बट द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इज दैट व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू बाय बिफोर एंटरिंग इनटू ए मेडिकल कॉलेज. So hi friends, I am Ravikant Seni, second year MBBS student at ESIC Medical College Bangalore. So the first thing that comes is apron. This is not just a white cloth, this is the result of your hard work. So always give respect to it and a person who wears it. You can get an apron easily from a medical shop or any other online platform. Aprons are of basically two types, one with full sleeves and one with half sleeves. So it's all depend on your medical college that what type of apron they are allowed to wear in MBBS. If you talk about my college, then in MBBS we are allowed to use only half sleeves apron. The second thing that we need to buy is the world's most expensive jewelry. Yes, I am talking about the stethoscope. This is not just an instrument, this is the symbol of your passion, a symbol of your profession. And in first year में आपको 10 to 20,000 खर्च करके लिटमन खरीदने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You can go with a microtone or any brand with low cost because first year में you are not going to see any patient in clinics. The next thing is bone set. It is a basically collection of human bones, and I highly suggest you that you must buy bone set in starting of first year only because in this year you are going to study each and every bone of your body in a subject known as osteology. You can buy it from your seniors or online, but I suggest you that you must buy it from your seniors only because from there only you can get original human bones. If you go for an online platform, then you can't get a original human bones because most of the platform in India sells a bones which are made of phosphorus. The next most important thing is clothes. अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि मेडिकल कॉलेज में जाके मैं बढ़िया जीन्स जैकेट पहन के फैंसी लाइफ स्टाइल जीऊँगा, तो wake up to reality my friends, because in first year you are not allowed to wear such type of fancy clothes and you have to wear a pair of formal pant shirt with formal shoes, a clean shave on face and a simple haircut. If you ask me that why this type of rule in first year, so answer is very simple. Like doctors have their unique identity, unique status in society, and to make you people like that, they ask you to wear formal clothes. And here you are going to enter into a medical profession, not in a fancy dress competition. Our next point is books. You can buy gold standard books such as Grey's Anatomy, which provide you world-class diagram which helps you in understanding the body structure in a better way, or like Guyton and Holt for physiology. If you can't buy these gold standard books, then you must have B.D. Chorsia for anatomy, G.K. Pal or A.K. Jain for physiology, and for biochemistry you must have Satya Narayan or Vasudevan. So these are some essential things that you have to must buy before entering into medical college. Let's go to some non-essential things that you may buy or may not. It's all depend on you. In first thing in this category is a tab. You can buy an iPad or a tab of any other brand because it's really gonna help you in your medical college life. Like if you have a tab with you, then instead of buying some expensive books, you can simply download a PDF of all these books in your tab and read whenever you want. The second benefit of this is you can make notes on it even if you are traveling through a bus or train. And अगर यार आप टैब अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, then you must buy a mobile phone which have a good quality camera and a storage capacity of 128 GB or more, because in medical college you are going to download a huge number of PDF and for clicking a number of photos in your phone which are related to your studies. The next thing in this category is a watch. You need a watch in first year because from first year itself you are going to measure pulse rate, respiratory rate, heart rate, which has to be measured in a specific time period. So to monitor the time period, you need a watch. And I specifically mentioned to buy a watch because in practicals and exam you are not allowed to use your mobile phones to monitor time. You can buy a smart watch or an analog watch as your choice. The next thing in this category is a earbud. As a medical student, I am pretty sure that you are going to watch videos on YouTube or any online platform like Mero and Prevletter, and many times you are going to library and college for studying. So there you are not allowed to watch your videos in open. You have to plug in your earphones. Other than these things, there are some specific things that you need to buy, like dissection kit which you use in dissection hole for dissecting the human body. And for physiology practical, you need to buy a knee hammer, tuning fork. So this is all about the thing that you need to buy before coming to medical college. And if you find this video somewhat interesting, then please like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.